Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can apply it for a Texas driving license. Now this is going to be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. Now to start with, here are the things you will need to provide proof of in order to apply it for a driving license. To start with, you must have a US citizenship, or if you're not a US citizen, you must have evidence of lawful presence. You must have a Texas residency. You must be able to prove your identity. You must have your social security number. You must have evidence of Texas vehicle registration for each vehicle you own. And you must have proof of insurance for each vehicle you own. And you'll also need to provide evidence of completion of Impact Texas Driver and also a 6-hour adult driver education course if you are aged 18 through 24 years old. So once you have got all the necessary information, you can head over to step 1 over here and you just want to complete the driver's license application. So you can open this up in a new page and print it off, and then from here you just want to fill out all of this information. And there's also a second page as well, so don't forget to do that one as well. And then you can sign at the bottom. Once you've done that, you then want to make an appointment at your driver's license office. So you can open this up in a new page and just scroll down to where it says schedule driver's license appointment. And from there you can then schedule a time that suits you best. From there, you can provide the following documentation to the license and permit specialist. So you will need to provide an application for issuance of a driver's license, your US citizenship, your Texas residency, your identity, and also your social security number. You'll then need to provide your signature for DL or ID, provide your thumbprints, have your picture taken, pay the application fee, pass the vision exam, and then from there you can take and pass the knowledge and driving tests. And if you fall under any of these categories, it may be different for you, so you may want to head over to this page yourself and just click on whichever one is applicable to you. So that's exactly how you can apply for a Texas driver's license. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.